Today I'm going to be showing you guys that 2 is equal to 1 using calculus. Okay, now first things first, you have to agree with me that 2 squared is equal to 4. Alright, if 2 squared is equal to 4, it means that 2 squared will be equal to 2 plus 2. Okay, which is just adding 2 times. Let's check for other squares. Okay, we have 3 squared now, for example. 3 squared is 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is adding 3 times. Alright, because 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9 and 3 squared is 9. Going further, 4 squared is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to adding 4 times. Okay, so in conclusion, we can see that x squared could be equal to x plus x plus x plus dot 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 plus x, and this is happening x times. Is it making sense? Now moving further, we can now say from this equation, okay, this is our basis for solving this. We can say that if we take the differential of this side and this side, so let's differentiate this. d dx of x squared is equal to 2x, to be equal to d dx of x is 1 plus d dx of x is 1 plus 1 plus dot 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 plus 1. How many times? X times. Right? Now 2x now becomes equal to 1 times x. Alright, from this 2x becomes equal to x. Okay, striking x on both sides, we have that 2 is equal to 1. So can you now see that 2, we showed that 2 is equal to 1. But remember that there is a problem with this, because obviously 2 is not equal to 1. So where does the problem come from? Now, let's go back to this place. We said that x squared is equal to x times x plus x plus x plus dot 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 plus x times. Okay, coming back to 2. 2 squared is equal to 2 times 2. 2 plus 2, 2 times. We, instead of writing 2 plus 2, we can just write 2 times. Okay, so we can say that 2 squared is equal to 2 times 2. Now 3 squared is equal to 3 times, so we can say 3 squared is equal to 3 times 3. Okay, so this becomes a bogus statement because we just went directly and integrated each term, which is very wrong. Okay, so we can just see from here that this is equal to x squared is equal to x times x. Integrating, differentiating this, rather, we have 2x to be equal to, using product law, we have x times 1, okay, plus x times 1, which is x. So we have that 2x is equal to 2x, which is a very correct statement. Hence, we can now see where the problem of this theory is. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.